Every day you open the paper or you hear on the news, there's a different case. And I think now, after seeing everything that's going on, including Matt Lauer, I think we can kind of safely say it's a movement because people are aware and people are taking action.
Taking action. It's something the former First Lady of Washington did in October of 2016. That's when Mona Locke turned to social media to share a powerful essay detailing her own personal experience with sexual harassment during her career as a TV news reporter and in the political arena as well.
I have been in the situation where there were other guys and they just turned a blind eye. When someone would grab my leg or any other physical contact, right? When you know that is wrong, and because of the power differential, a coworker would not say anything.
When she first spoke up, Locke also created a safe space on Facebook and encouraged other victims of sexual harassment to stand together and tell their stories.
We can't ignore it anymore.
So in recent weeks, from the case of Harvey Weinstein, then Al Franken, Charlie Rose, Matt Lauer, and others, Locke's been in awe of the women who've come forward.
I think we have reached a tipping point where it's okay to speak out.
And not just in the headlines, she says, but in our own lives as well.
My hope is that it cascades down not just to the high-profile people, but to everyday people that are affected in their workplaces, affected outside of their workplaces, that we really shift the culture.
Heather Graf, King 5 News.
And to fully achieve that culture shift, Locke believes it is equally important for men to speak up when they see a woman being sexually harassed. We have posted our full conversation with the former First Lady of Washington all on king5.com.